Hello everyone, welcome once again to another session where we are going to be creating a home directory using the encryptfs-utils package. And the idea here is to create a directory that is encrypted, that until you provide credentials you cannot access this directory. So let's dive straight into what we are going to be doing. It's going to be a short lesson, so follow me. Okay, for this lesson we are using Ubuntu 2022 VM. So if you don't have that, you can download that and install. It's pretty simple. So like I said, for this lab we are creating an encrypted home directory and using the adduser, and we are going to be doing that on Ubuntu 2022 and using the encryptfs-utils package. We are going to create a certain user with an encrypted home directory, and then try to access that user. Okay, let's go gradually and to try to do what we are doing. So on Linux, most of the time before you install anything, it's always good to run that command. So when you run that command, you pretty much have access to the latest updates. So from there, when you run the command, okay, when it's done, you can run sudo apt install encrypt. Let me confirm the name of the package. Where encrypt, yes, encryptfs-utils package. Okay, when you run that, you install. Okay, first of all, what to take note is this package is a Linux package that provides utilities for working with ecryptfs, a cryptographic file system that allows you to encrypt individual files or directory easily. So it's actually just a package that's been written that makes it easy. Instead of rewriting, you just download this package and implement your encryption with them. So apart from that, we have installed. Let's go to the next steps. So we want to create a user account with an encrypted home directory. So we already know the password, the command to create a user account. Add user. Yes, we specify the flag encrypt home. Then we call the name of the user we want to create is Cleopatra. So it activates and runs. So they're asking for us for a new password. Yes. Okay. We've created a new directory, home directory, and we've encrypted it. So let's check the home directory to see if it exists. Okay, great. We have two. We already have Ayagodlove. Then we have Cleopatra. Two home directories that we have just created. So if we want to also see the content of the Cleopatra. We have home, Cleopatra, permission denied at the moment. So we're going to fix that eventually. So now let us switch to the Cleopatra user. We have switched to the Cleopatra and we can get the encryption password phrase. Okay, what happens is that we log in as Cleopatra and run the encrypt unwrap passphrase command. So we have logged in already. So what we ought to do now is just to run that command ecryptfs unwrap passphrase. Okay, this will ask us to log in with the passphrase and return the wrap passphrase used internally by that. Okay, let's just type something. Okay, so let me try again. Encrypt fs on wrap passphrase. Okay, it has provided. So the passphrase he was asking there is simply our password that we provided. So we provided the login passphrase and it returns the encrypted it returns the value the package is using internally. So with that we can proceed. So with that, this is what we have achieved. So we can keep a copy of this passphrase. So we've actually created an encrypted home directory which we cannot access unless we supply the credentials for that. So see you in a bit for the next task.